Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality and the authoritative do follow profile backlink, and also you guys are able to create your classified ads backlink in this website, and definitely you guys will consider this site for your indexed backlink list, because some while ago I created a one backlink in this website and my backlink was indexed. So that's why I considered to add this website in my indexing list. So definitely you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so now we can start. You see how my previous backlink are looking. So now we can start. And before they started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 68. And according to Moj, the domain authority is 49. Spam score is only 1%. And if we can check this website traffic, so you see 9.7K monthly traffic this website having, and mostly traffic from India, Kenya, Pakistan, USA, Bangladesh, and another country. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the sign up button. There you can put your username. Then after you can put your email address. Then you can choose your password, and you can verify this question. So what is the sum of 2 and 7 is 9. Then after you can verify the captcha. Click on the register button and you see our account is created. Now you can click on edit profile. Now you can hover to the your profile section, your username, click on edit a profile. So from there you can change your profile picture. Okay, so we need to log in avatar. There you can put your first name, well, training, and there you can put your website URL. Then after you can submit your social media links here, and there you can submit your profile description. And once you guys will complete all things, and another thing I can let you, so there you can add some HTML hyperlink. So I will tell you how you can generate. So you can open this website, my website dmltraining.com, and you see there I created a one tool URL to HTML hyperlink converter. So there you can paste your website URLs. You can paste multiple URLs, and in front you can paste a keyword. Then after you can generate a link. So I will show you. I can generate some links here. Then in front I can paste keyword, and my next is file creation sites list. Okay, sorry. There you can paste your website URL, then your keyword. You can do the same for the multiple URLs. So once you guys will added your URLs and the keyword, then after you can click on generate links. You see this is your hyperlink syntax is generated. Now you can copy this code and you can paste here in the about section, and then after you can click on upload feed profile. So you see your profile is updated. Now we can you can click on this username DML training, and you see this is your profile landing page URL. And if I can show you, so you see these are the backlinks how we created. And if I can show you, this is a no follow do follow backlink. So you see this is 100% do follow backlink. Okay, so we have created a high quality do follow profile backlink. And now how you can create your classified ads backlink. So you can click on post and ads. So first we need to select a category. So you can select your category. So we are providing services. Then after you can select your subcategory. Then after you can click on go button. There you can put your title. So suppose going to create a backlink for this. Pricing is. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription.
to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co.
And there you can put your contact number, your address, then you can select your street, select randomly anything. Then after you can select your country, so where you are living. After that you can put your description. So description should be, and then after you can add your tax URL to HTML link converter. Then after you can click on this to upload a logo, add your ads image. Then after you can click on continue, and you see you can verify your all details. Then after you can click on continue. There is no need to you can make any changes. And you see this is your pricing. So your pricing is $0. So after you can click on view ad listing, and you see your ads is live now. So this is your ad details. So this is right now in a pending category. So when this website administrator will approve your ads, then you are able to see your ads in publicly. Okay, so overall, this is the process to how you can create your powerful do follow profile backlink and your classified backlink. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section so where you can connect me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.